Have you ever felt like airports are just a stressful waiting game? You rush through security, grab an overpriced coffee, and then just sit there, endlessly scrolling on your phone until your flight boards. Well, what if I told you that you're missing out? Airports around the world are packed with hidden gems, secret spots, and amazing freebies that most travelers walk right past. Today, we're going on an adventure to uncover the 7 hidden things in airports you absolutely must see before you fly. Stick around, because number 7 might just change the way you travel forever. Let us start with something that can save you a lot of frustration and money: free water bottle refill stations. We all know you can't take a full water bottle through security. So, we end up buying expensive bottled water on the other side. But here's the secret. Almost every modern airport has free filtered water stations, usually located near the restrooms. Just bring an empty reusable bottle with you. Not only will you save $5 to $10 on every trip, but you're also doing a huge favor for the environment. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. So next time, look for those little signs and fill up for free. Okay, next up, number 2, airport art galleries. You might think you have to be in a museum to see world-class art, but many airports are actually curated art spaces. For example, Amsterdam Schiphol Airport has an actual annex of the famous Rijksmuseum, where you can see original works by Dutch masters, completely for free. San Francisco International Airport has its own accredited museum with rotating exhibitions. And Hamad International in Doha is famous for its giant, iconic sculptures, like the Lamp Bear. Instead of just sitting at your gate, take a walk. You might discover incredible paintings, sculptures, and installations that tell a story about the local culture. It's like getting a free museum ticket with your flight. Now for number 3, and this one is for anyone who needs a moment of peace and quiet: airport chapels or meditation rooms. The hustle and bustle of an airport can be overwhelming. These quiet spaces are designed for prayer, meditation, or just a moment of silent reflection, regardless of your beliefs. They are multi-faith and open to everyone. You'll find them tucked away in less crowded parts of the terminal. It's the perfect escape from the noise and chaos, a place to center yourself before you take to the skies. I've used them before just to sit and breathe for 10 minutes, and it's a total game changer for my travel anxiety. Ready for number 4. Free city tours on long layovers. This is one of the best kept secrets in travel. If you have a layover of 6 hours or more in certain airports, you might be eligible for a completely free tour of the city. Airports like Singapore's Changi, Istanbul Airport, and Incheon in Seoul offer these amazing excursions. They handle the transportation and guide you through the city's main attractions, all before getting you back in time for your connecting flight. It's a fantastic way to turn a boring layover into a mini vacation and get a taste of a new city without any extra cost. Just make sure to check the Airport's website beforehand to see if you qualify and where to sign up. Let's move on to number 5, observation decks. Before the days of tight security, observation decks were a popular feature in airports. While many have closed, some of the best ones are still around, and they offer incredible views. Los Angeles International has the LAX theme building, a futuristic structure with a public observation level offering 360-degree views of the runways. Frankfurt Airport and Zurich Airport also have fantastic terraces where you can watch the planes take off and land. It's a thrill for aviation enthusiasts and a surprisingly calming activity for anyone else. You get to see the incredible choreography of a busy airport in action. Number 6 is a personal favorite: hidden gardens and green spaces. Being stuck inside a terminal can make you feel disconnected from nature. But some airports have brought the outdoors in. Singapore's Changi Airport is the king of this, with its butterfly garden, sunflower garden, and the breathtaking rain vortex. But you can find green oases in other places too. Chicago O'Hare has an aeroponic garden where they grow fresh vegetables for airport restaurants. Vancouver International has a massive green wall and an indoor creek. These spots are perfect for a relaxing stroll, helping you de-stress and breathe some fresher air before you're cooped up on a plane. And finally, we've reached number 7, the one I promised would be a game changer: airport therapy animal programs. Yes, you heard that right. To help ease the stress of travel, dozens of airports across North America and beyond have teams of trained therapy dogs, and sometimes even cats or pigs, that you can pet and hang out with. San Francisco was the first with its WAG Brigade, but now you can find them in Denver, Miami, and many Canadian airports too. These furry ambassadors roam the terminals with their handlers, and their sole job is to make you smile. If you're a nervous flyer or just having a tough travel day, finding one of these therapy animals can completely turn your mood around. It's pure, simple joy, and it's one of the most heartwarming things you can experience in an airport. So there you have it, 7 incredible hidden gems that can transform your airport experience from a chore into an adventure. Next time you fly, don't just rush to your gate. Arrive a little earlier, explore the terminal, and see what secrets you can uncover. You might find a masterpiece, a moment of peace, or even a new furry friend. Travel is about the journey, and that journey starts the moment you step into the airport. Thanks so much for watching. If you've discovered any other cool airport secrets, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.